It debuted on the New York Times bestseller list, then went on to become an Oscar-nominated film.
She looked like a winning horse at the Kentucky Derby.
But before that, author Catherine Stockett received around 60 rejection letters for the help from literary agents. That number pales in comparison, though, to the 1903 adventure novel Call of the Wild, about a dog who's kidnapped from his cushy life and sold off as a sled dog during the gold rush. Author Jack London got nearly 700 rejection letters over 5 years, which he kept on a spindle that reached 4 feet in height. London went on to become the highest-paid writer of his time. For you book lovers, these nuggets and more are revealed in the book The Great American Read, the Book of Books. It's packed with trivia from 100 novels voted as America's most loved books through a national survey for the PBS series The Great American Read. The series premieres on PBS on September 11th.